In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the product name in WooCommerce, whether you're updating your online store or simply organizing your inventory. Being able to quickly identify and retrieve product names is essential. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Products section within your WordPress dashboard. Begin by logging into your WordPress account and look for the options on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a collection of different management panels. Focus your attention on the Products option. Hover over it, and a submenu will appear. Click on All Products from this list. This is your starting point to accessing all the product details available in your store. Once you've clicked into All Products, you will see a comprehensive list of all the items you've set up in WooCommerce. This list is organized in a way that is not only straightforward, but also designed for efficiency. In the list, the first column displays the product names. This setup helps you swiftly locate the name of the product you're interested in. If you need the product name for any reason, whether it's for an update, marketing, or just inventory checks, you'll find it right here in this column. It's conveniently visible, so you can easily identify the product of interest. You have a couple of ways to proceed from here. If you simply need to note down or use the product name, you can copy it directly from this column. This is particularly useful if you have a spreadsheet or a document where you keep track of product information. Highlight the product name, right-click, and choose Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C on a Mac. This quick process ensures you have the correct name on record. However, if you need a closer look, or perhaps you're looking to tweak the product title, there's another option available. Next to each product, you'll see an Edit button. Clicking on Edit will take you to the Product Edit page, where you can see not only the name, but also a plethora of other details regarding the product. This is where you'll go if you feel the need to make any changes to the product title or examine additional information such as pricing, stock levels, and descriptions. It's a useful tool for when you want more insight or control over the details of a specific product. And that's it. You've now learned how to get and manage product names in WooCommerce. Remember that keeping your product names organized will help enhance the overall functionality and professionalism of your e-commerce store. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your store more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on mastering WooCommerce.